Welcome to a new test and teardown video. So this is another Hartmann and Braun, and this is a Wattmeter. So what this thing does is it measures voltage and current, multiplies this and display the watts. Isn't that just fantastic? Because voltage and current isn't always in phase, so this is why you need a meter like this. And of course you can connect it for different full-scale sensitivities. It's all explained in the manual, and I even got the manual. Fantastic. You'll probably be able to find this manual online. I'm going to Google a little bit and see if this is online. Otherwise I'll probably take some scans and put in the video or something like that. So this manual is really good and super detailed. It also explains how you connect this thing, what is in and what is out, and what is the whole idea. And then it says, yeah, you multiply voltage and current and then you get watts. La 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 la, very good. And that will be the different watts. Okay, yeah. And then you can measure, what is that? Three phase, yeah, you need 3 of them. That's obviously what you need. Anyway, I've been playing a little bit with this, and look at that. There is a problem. The needle is not moving, and I bet it is touching the scale. It looks like it's lying flat on the scale. I can't make it move no matter what I do, so I just can't test this. I need to open it first, so maybe this was defect, must be thrown out. This is the kind of thing that I get, right? This also looks a little bit spooky. So there's a screw that is super duper cute. Anyway, I'll try and open it and see if I can get the needle to move a little bit. So this is just typical. So that will be the rubber feet, and of course 2 of them, that will be access to the inside. That was the screw also to the access of the inside. That one was the sealed screw. So the idea was you're not supposed to be able to unscrew this without breaking the seal. I don't know, I just took a little tweezer and just turned it in easy peasy. But then of course if you unscrew this one, ka-bing boing, then the nut fell inside. Duh. So you need to know which one to open. Man. But anyway, we're in. And I will find my little, where's the nut? I got the washer, but oh man, I need to. Can't you just be quiet outside? It is truly a beautiful instrument, as always. Wow, look at what they're doing. They're pulling all the current in the meter and the voltage around the meter with all those wires, and then it's actually the meter that is doing all the multiplication of everything. So that is perfectly fine. And see, I found the error. The needle is definitely not working, so there's a problem in here I need to address more carefully. But let's just enjoy the meter for a little bit. This is, what is that? What the heck is that? Oh, this is the funny plus minus. Ah, wow, really? Well, it's definitely backlight. And it's really, really manufactured in super, super tip-top quality. Also, I saw the glass was getting a little bit, or you can even see it here, right? A little bit milky. I bet it's because I just need to clean this glass. What happens if I touch this? See? Just do a little... Ooh, that reveals it. You know what that is? That is smoke. This is smoked. So something here puked the smoke. So where is the burned part that smoked everything? Because you know why I know that? Look at that. This is a gas-tight rubber seal all the way around. So where's this shit coming from? Inside, right? That's the only way it can be. Oh no, so it's completely smoked. Damn it. And it's probably in here, right? Duh. This is why this is not moving. It's completely smoked the whole coil. So some mega muppet just gave this a mega amp. Oh no. So it's just trash in a bag. That's what it is. I think it's actually a little bit fun to show you guys this. So this is the damper. So the air in here is trapped. So when this one tries to move real fast, it's gonna get stuck in here. But it's not touching anything. It's just a needle that's not able to move in here. And it's because something is real bad in here. So how are we gonna get in there and have a look? It's also quite funny. They try to change the way that this works, right? So in here, it's supposed to be able to move a little bit faster. But up here, see? And this one was, of course, screwed here under the meter, or under the readout. And again, look. And it was supposed to be gas tight. Yeah, so this is definitely not working at all. So I don't know how the heck do we open this. Not easy. So now I'm in here. See this thing? So it is connected to the bottom end. We got forward and reverse current, and they're connected together like that. Isn't that just fantastic? And then the green wire goes to one end, and we got two blue ones, and then this transparent is connected on the top. And I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, let's see if we can look in here. But if we look in the rotating part of it, there's actually some windings in here as well, in the middle of the field, and that will probably be the magnet. So this thing is not moving. The bottom little piece here is not moving, and the top thing here is moving. Let me see if I can show you guys this at the same time. See if I'm moving here. See? The bottom part is not moving. So this reveals, let me show you guys this. See? It's broken inside here in the middle. It's just completely wasted. Just bad luck. It's also very, very fragile, this whole mechanical system. See, there's, I don't know if you can see this here in the top. Can you see there's a thin wire going in the middle that is holding everything together? There's probably something wrong with the whole mechanical thing here. This is supposed to go down there, and it's, see, this thin wire comes out here at the end. But this thing can't move. Hey. And here you go, and this is why it didn't work. This was broken. in the middle. So this is the voltage winding, and current goes on both of the sides. So this is why it measures watts. So it multiplies voltage with current. Isn't it just fantastic? So it doesn't measure anything, no matter how many amps you give it. If there are no voltage, sorry, no watts. But this is a mechanical defect, and I'm sorry, this is all just trash. But at least we got to see how this thing is made. Maybe I can even get a little bit deeper in here. Yeah, this thing is just absolutely trash. Too bad. So I might as well just take it all the way apart to show you guys how it really works. So of course there's a capacitive coupling shield, and this is the shield between the current windings and the voltage windings. And you know what they've done? Let me see if I can pull these out. So that is a shield. Look, it is connected. Let me see if it's getting loose. Maybe it's not getting loose, but anyway, what you can see here is there's a gap. Oh, I just bent it. Come on, like that, right? So this is the shield. And of course there is a gap. This is, so there's no eddy current in this field, because you only want the magnetic field. You don't want a capacitive coupling from this into your coil that is moving to this little thingy coil. So they made this little, I couldn't get it out without breaking it. Here it is. So this is a nice little room that is plated, silver plated. Yeah, this is definitely silver plated. Yes, you can see it. So at least we saw exactly how this great thing was designed and manufactured. They are really geniuses, the guys that made all this. Ugh. Copper windings inside epoxy. Look how beautiful it's made. And you know what? This plate here, feels like it's actually glass. See? Ooh, don't touch this, it's gonna break. So this is how it was in the good old days. I didn't spare any expense to make it real nice and shiny. And this whole case is probably made of this mu metal, especially good for magnetic isolation. And here we got the different phasing, right, of the different currents and voltages and stuff. Yeah, okay, so this will be voltage sensing, scaling. Current always goes through these two thick ones. And here we go. Some really good solid equipment. Yep, I'm not gonna play anymore with this. I'm gonna put it where it belongs. You guessed where.